Okay, Hannah, I promised I was going to pick up right here again, right where I left off. Now, these polyhedrons, they have names that are based on the number of sides that they have. Okay? So this triangular, here, let me get rid of all these lines and stuff so we can see. I told you earlier they sort of have two names. This one's called a rectangular prism. Okay? But it's also called a hexahedron. Hexahedron. I told you a polyhedron. Polyhedron just means many faces or many sides, right? A hexahedron means 6 faces or 6 sides. And remember, this rectangular prism, it has 6 sides. 1, the top, 2, the bottom, 3, the right side, 4, the left side, 5, the back, and 6 up here in the front. It has 6 sides to it. Okay? Let's look at this one. How many faces or sides, Hannah, does this triangular pyramid have?
4.
All right, exactly. We call it a triangular pyramid, but it has another name. Okay? And its other name is a tetrahedron. Okay, there we go. Tetra means 4. 4 faces or 4 sides. Okay? All right, let me stop right there. Questions, Hannah? Sophia? They sound like famous names of dragons? Okay, I'll let that be. I don't know. Maybe. A tetrahedron is a dragon. I thought dragons were named things like
Sapphire.
A Norwegian ridgeback. Or something like that. Okay? Maybe. Okay. Now, in example number 1, here, it says that they just want us to describe the different shapes of these buildings. Folks, this is the skyline of San Francisco. It's part of it. I used to teach at a school last year that's right behind this building called Grace Cathedral, and I used to see the Transamerica building every day. Okay? Now, they've taken this skyline and they've drawn a little shapes of them over here for us, okay? Now, it says, describe the different shapes of the building. These are kind of irregular, right? They're not, this is a rectangle, this is a trapezoid, right? This one right here, I don't even know what that is. You know, that's weird. But let's look at this one. Can you give me the 2 names of that one? What do you think that one is? Give me one name for it, Connor. What is it? What kind of pyramid? What's its base shape? Well, what's another name for it? I mean, a square is a certain kind of what? It's a rectangular pyramid. Okay? Who can give me another name for it? Sydney?
Hexahedron.
A hexahedron?
No.
It doesn't have 6 faces, so it's not a hexahedron. How many faces does it have, Sydney?
4.
Not 4. It has 4 sides, but then it also has a bottom down here. 5. So what prefix should we use? A penta what? Pentahedron. Okay? Those are the 2 names that we would use for that shape. Now, for homework tonight, they're going to be asking us for this one right here. Okay? So that's what, when they say, hey, give the name of this shape, you're going to say a rectangular pyramid or a rectangular prism or a triangular prism. But we also need to be familiar with these things, like a pentahedron. Okay? All right. Great job, guys. Let's go into the next video.